It's Tuesday morning. It's like 8, a little after 8, I think. So I was gonna move that dump trailer and take it to the dump today. And you can see there's a broken light in there. It's blinking. But so apartment number 1 has 2 vehicles, and he parked one in the other side of the building and one right next to the trailer. And I saw him this morning, but he was rushing on his way to work, and I didn't want to bug him to move his other car. So probably should have. But so now I can't move my trailer because there's just no space to turn it. This car is so close to it. So I'll just have to stack this stuff up and then maybe give him a call tonight and see if he can not park there tomorrow so I can move the trailer. At least we'll probably do that. But anyways, today I'm going to be moving probably those shelves in the middle, this stuff, all these drawers and parts and baskets and just random stuff. I'm going to try to clear all the small stuff out this morning, and then probably rip down some more tiles. I don't know if I'm going to like roll out some plastic and see if there's an easier way to do that and just not create such a mess, but we'll see. But yeah, that's the plan. We'll see what happens. The locksmith just came. We put a new little, I don't know what you call it, little key lock box on the apartments for the mail carrier, little code box. I decided to leave those there. I mean, that little hallway there's blocked anyways, so I'll just leave that there for now. So I'm gonna move this stuff next, get that back on the shelves somewhere. I'll probably take this table out of the way. I don't know. But anyways, I got all this cleared out again so I can walk through here again. That's a plus. And I moved some of that stuff around back there. It's just, I'm not ready to clean that yet. It's just shelving. And I did a little bit of cleaning in here, but it's, check out this sweet old school mop bucket. That thing is killer. Gear press. And yeah, it's just kind of nasty back here. Really need to clean this, but I just don't have the time yet. Got the boiler working. I think I mentioned that. She's finally, yeah, she's working. It's good. Oh, so he said the issue was this damper. There's a, I don't know, he messed around with it, said he got it working, but he thinks that's where the issue is, and I was gonna buy another one just to have on hand. It's like $340 for that thing. A little electronic damper, but I decided to wait, because hopefully it makes it through the winter, I guess, huh? We'll see. But yeah, that's about it today so far. It's, I don't know what time it is, 10:30. So I'm gonna move a few more things, and then I'm gonna go upstairs and start hauling shelving down. I've been meaning to get to that forever. So that's the plan. Oh, so I was gonna mention as well, we went yesterday when we went to Menards, we hit a couple of thrift stores in town. And so I sell a lot of the times they have like DVDs for $1 or whatever. This one was $6. There she is. And it ended up being worth about $80. So that's pretty good. And I got some other ones. What's up? This is showing them like how I clean this area today. I'm gonna leave that there though, because the alley is already blocked anyways, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, Ashley went to go get us some lunch. I've been working on this area, hauled a lot of it down, looking pretty clear, just messy. Move those up on the sides. I actually listed these for sale. I took pictures of them before we took them apart. They're just these glass island, like gondola type style shelves, I guess. And that's the rest of them there. But they're pretty nice units. I just don't see a use for them. I'm going to keep the little one. And maybe those two, or at least that one and one of those. These big ones. There's just not going to be any space for them. I listed them for $250 each with everything, shelves complete, which is a pretty good deal. They're built-in, so they're very, very solid. So yeah, did that. Moved a bunch of stuff down. And looking forward to some Subway. I think she just came back. She must have forgot something. I think that's her right there. I've been working hard today. It's what is it? Is it still Monday or is it Tuesday? I think it might be Tuesday. Yeah. Ashley cleaned all of this up here. Moved some shelving over underneath this, and then we'll just put plastic over it. Got some of the tiles out. The dump trailer's full. There's a car in my way, so I can't move it and dump it. I'm gonna call them and have them move it before the morning so I can dump it in the morning. So I've almost got all the shelving moved. Pretty much just moving the big stuff off to the side. So I got all the middle display cases moved over against the wall. I removed all the bottom things there, and they drop down and it leaves a slot, so the places where they didn't have these deals sticking out, they had these plates, but I only found 3 more of them, so I'm gonna have to figure out a way to keep these propped up. I mean, so it's supposed to be right there, and there's up under that trim, and then I'll just figure out a way to hold those up, I guess. But yeah, and right now I'm moving these ones. I just pulled them all off the wall, and you see where the drop down happened there, so I gotta prop these up and secure those in place as well. And the reason we're taking all these out is for the booths, you know, to have complete space against the wall. Some people might not want shelves there, so we'll give them the option of having it or not. And then, because they'll still be able to put them back in if they want, and that way we can get it refloored. So I started moving these things over there. So once I clean this up here, I'm going to finish moving these island displays over there. Then I'm going to clean all that up, and then I'm going to start taking this one apart, and that'll be the last shelf, and I'll finish that today. Then tomorrow I'll dump the dump trailer. It's pretty full. Luckily, I hope it works. They said it just got fixed, but I don't know. So it's pretty full. It has a screen that rolls over it, so as long as it dumps, I really hope. Otherwise, I'm gonna spend hours throwing all that stuff out at the dump. But yeah, and I cleaned some downstairs. And we got this new little cart here. It's smaller than I thought it was gonna be, but it's real sturdy. It'll work for stuff. Coming along. I think Rodney's supposed to be here tomorrow, hopefully. And we should be ready. I mean, at least close. I still gotta figure out, Ashley's at Menards now. She's buying me some wire and tape so I can tape up all these wires to the beams and stuff, and then I can wire up these lights, and then I'm just gonna probably just sawzall that whole grid out. That'll be the quickest, easiest way once I got everything wired up. that's connected to it. And then should be ready. So progressing pretty well for 2 people. You know, I don't know. What, you know. I keep saying that, it's so annoying. Anyways, alright. Be back later if there's any more progress made. Maybe when I finally get this cleared out completely. Okay, got most of that cleared. There's a little bit left to go, but it's finally kind of cleared up in here, you know. Got a lot of work to do, but that shelf's gonna go next. I'm gonna take a little break and then I'll start working on that. We got a bunch of plastic in the back there, so I'm just gonna cover up those and those. Oh, I gotta take these mirrors down. That fan. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Maybe just got the breaker shut off. Probably just snip the wire and cap it. I don't know yet. Oh, there's that one too. I didn't see that one. Yeah, Rodney texted me and said he should be taken off tomorrow. So it's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So we're gonna be cutting it close, but I'm sure he can always come back to finish up later if he has to. Looking pretty, well, not good, but goodish. Ready for the painting almost, and then after the painting's done, we'll get some quotes on the flooring. Before that, so we were gonna put the bathroom here because of space issues, but I was looking at this room. This is like the break room. So this is where they used to have, they had like a soda bar or something like that. It's downstairs. It's this big thing where they made, I guess, ice cream and like fountain soda. And they had their, I think they had their little, right where this door is in the wall, they must have had their serving counter right here, I'm assuming. I gotta look at some old pictures. I know there's some around. But anyways, I was thinking of walling it off right here and putting the sink in this section with a wall there. And then, I mean, this is bigger than most gas station bathrooms, so I don't see how it would be an issue. But put the toilet here. And yeah, I don't know, we'll measure it out and get the width and see what we actually need. So this is what happened today. Took all those out, those ones over on that side. I moved all those big shelves, and I was supposed to get this one done. I started on it, but it should go pretty fast. I got the first one disconnected. Just don't know where I'm gonna put them, because I kind of want to keep them as single units like that, because they all got their own power source and lighting. Those would be nice. I think I can reuse those for sure. Yeah. And Ashley cleaned out this back room here. I don't know if I showed that already, but it looks pretty good now. We're stocked up for the week. So I'm pretty much gonna lock up and call her a night. It's going pretty good so far.